Welcome to a new Alfresco video. We are working today on the fix of the CRC bug that was affecting Alfresco Community 23.3.0 and 23.4.0 versions. On the Highland Connect, you have this critical bug in Alfresco Community blog post that includes all the details regarding to the to this bug, not only for community, but also for the enterprise customers. So again, you have the details, but as a summary, this is a bug that is affecting to audit, quick links, and Alfresco web and services features. So if you are using one of these or all of these three features, then you may be affected. What we are doing on the following minutes is to apply this remediation step. In order to fix the database, we are providing a public repository, github.com/alfresco mnt 24815. So inside this repository, we have a set of SQL commands that will help you to fix the problem that was caused by this version. So in short, the procedure is just to stop your current Alfresco instance 23.3.0, 23.4.0, run the database scripts to patch all that was damaged. Then you need to upgrade to the new version 23.3.3 or 23.4.1 by using Docker image, zip distribution, or whatever method you have. And once this is running, you need to verify that all the previous information was there. So let's start by doing this. First, we can inspect this project in GitHub that contains the fixes to restore the database. So you have some quick guide, and then on the DB scripts folder, you have MySQL, Oracle, or PostgreSQL. For this tutorial, we are going to use PostgreSQL, but the steps for MySQL or MariaDB are more or less the same. So what we have inside is this sequence of SQL statements that will fix the problem. So let's start by using a previous version. So we are using this 23.2.0 version that is working as expected. We are going to create some quick links, some audit entries, and let's verify that everything is working as expected. After that, we are going to upgrade to Alfresco 23.4.0. We are going also to verify that all the quick links and all the audit entries that were available in Alfresco 23.2 are lost. Then we are going to apply the SQL patch on this 23.4.0 database, and we are going to upgrade to Alfresco 23.4.1 to verify that the records are back again. So now Alfresco 23.2.0 is running. So let's use SER. So we are using the legacy UI, the Alfresco SER application, and then we have a file that includes a quick link, and this quick link for this 23.2.0 is working fine. In addition, we have configured some audit entries for this, an audit service audit application for this 23.2.0. So we go to the Alfresco REST API, So for the audit applications, in our case, the application name is search, and we list all the audit entries. We can see that we have 15 of them. And if we access to the first one, then we have the details. So everything seems to be working as expected in both the quick links and also on the audit entries for this Alfresco 23.2.0. Okay, let's stop this Alfresco version and let's upgrade the installation. As we are using Docker Compose for the deployment, then we are going to reuse this data folder that includes the repository, file system, the PostgreSQL data, and also the Solar data. So we are going to reuse this folder on a 23.4.1 version. So once we start this 23.4.1.0 version, sorry, this is the version that is wrong. When we start this one, it's going to upgrade the database and we have everything upgraded. Okay, so as I said, we have 23.4.0 version. So let's start this version. Database will be upgraded on this booting as we were using the previous one, and let's verify what happened with the quick links and also with the audit entries. So once Alfresco 23.4.0 is running, then we can go back to Alfresco server just to verify what happened with this quick link. And if we access to the existing quick link and we click again, we can see that the page is not available. So the quick link is not working anymore. In the same way, if we try to list all the audit entries for the application search, then we had 15 and now we have only one with the ID 16. So all the previous 15 entries have been lost, right? So this is how we can verify that the problem exists, and we need to apply the patch. So we have verify that the problem exists, and then we need to get the PostgreSQL script and to apply that to the database. So I recommend you to stop all the Alfresco service and to start only PostgreSQL to apply the patch, so we can avoid some other processes in Alfresco modifying the database. So we stop the all the Alfresco service and we start only the Postgres service. Okay. Okay, so Postgres is now up and ready. So let's start. Let's start a session inside. You can do this by any other mean, right? Now I'm on the database and I can use PSQL, right? So this is the client for PostgreSQL. And then I need to apply all these sentences. For this sample, I'm going to apply all in a batch, right? So I'm going to copy all the script and just to paste that in the PSQL application. You can also just verify each of the steps. Just copy one sentence, copy the next one. You can see also the details, what is the purpose of every of them, and you can verify all the process step by step. But as I said, we are going to use that in a batch just to apply like everything. Okay, so after the execution, then at this point the database should be fixed. If you start again Alfresco 23.4.0, the problem will persist. So the next step is to upgrade Alfresco to the patched version 23.4.1. So let's do that. Let's stop the Alfresco 23.4, only the Postgres, that was the one running. And then we are going to upgrade to 23.4.1. Sorry, to 23.4.1. Again, so we can take the data with the file system, the patched Postgres database, and the Solar data. So we take this folder, and in a 23.4.1 version, we are reusing this information. You can apply the upgrading by any other mean, but for a Docker Compose, this is like the most simplest approach. Okay, so now let's start this new version. Database will be upgraded also on this bootstrapping process. And we need to verify that everything has been fixed. Let's wait a bit for it. Okay, so from this point, Alfresco is up and ready, is running, and we can verify again if those quick links has been restored, and also if we are getting back all the missing audit entries. So for the quick link, we can see that it's working again. Nice, that worked. And finally, we can see like all these entries are again available. So that was everything for today. We are addressing or fixing this CRC bug in Alfresco Community 20.3 and 20.4. Just check this blog post before going on. And also you have, if you are using AGS or you have any specific problem with this patch, just create a new entry in the Alfresco forum and we'll try to support you. See you next time. Thanks.